Yeah, delivery's the 9th.
Oh, that's Tuesday.
In the morning at the delivery would text and remember between 6:30 and 8:30 with an estimate.
Oh, so they'll tell you this morning, that's handy.
So it's the 9th. Can you write that down so I don't forget? Fridge for the fridge, alright.
Sit down there.
Thank you. He opened up the controls and did he let her make an announcement? He opened this side and
she was something.
he used to spend
What they're doing here?
New ones, which is on one side. So new
This
ones, which
train
are
is
one
for
side.
Lewisham.
So this,
The
the one
next stop
side,
is
not
Canary
here
Wharf.
anymore. So you've got
Change
the
for
one side
London
and the
Underground
brand new
Jubilee
ones.
Line
Yes.
and the
Straight
Elizabeth
to the
Line
stop.
and DLR to
Which now
West
has been
India
cut
Quay.
off because they
When
can't
leaving
use
the
stock
train,
at the station.
please remember to take
But
all
that's
your
the
belongings with you.
Stratford. No, Stratford. But they do look good. They do look good. They're really impressive.
Christmas we've got Christmas sales on. Maybe it's just on poppy days. I remember it's and they dedicate carriages, and one's dedicated to Sister Christine. Sister Christine and two of our helpers they're dedicated to.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Canary Wharf.
It's clever, isn't it? Driving is the old an older drivers.
Well, they do driverless taxis.
Do they? Oh, yeah, the young one.
No.
Not the
It's got,
underground one.
no. It's driverless taxi, but there's a driver at the moment, I think, to overrun if there's issues, and then they'll be notified.
How does it know what lane to go in?
I don't know, unless it's on a certain road.
It must be in special taxi lanes.
I don't know, actually.
Can't check. No, you're looking for it.
Maybe it's not bad, it's not bad. Because they do use that, but they want to get the driver to buy really quick.
Not like a driving day.
Yeah.
People going in.
This train is for Lewisham. The next stop is Heron Quays. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
That's good. Straight as well.
Oh, yeah.
Because I remember going from Neon to Caution in a helicopter. It was half an hour.